Hey everyone, Mr. Zeckler here. So, a quick video on how to increase and decrease your screen size. So, right now you guys are in OneNote and you're going to pull this document out so that you're going to split your screen, and you're going to drag this over to half your screen so that we have this on half your screen. Now, if I were to also have OneNote split on the other half of my screen over here, what you might notice is that I'm not really able to see everything on this side of the document. I'm also not able to see everything on this side of the document. So when I split my screen with my OneNote and my OneDrive, I want to be able to work in both, but it's kind of too big. So a keyboard shortcut that we're able to use to increase or decrease our screen size is something called, down here in the vocab list, increase, decrease screen size. And the keyboard shortcut is Control, and you're going to hit the plus sign, or Control, and you're going to hit the minus sign. So Control plus, Control minus. So to show you how that works, if I hit Control plus, this screen is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. But we don't want it to be bigger. We want it to be smaller, so we're going to be able to see more of our screen. So we're going to be able to work with the questions that we're working on, such as question 4 over here. So now that I'm able to see the full question over here, if I need a little more, I can make it a little smaller. Now that I'm able to see that, I'll go over to this side of the screen, and if I hit Control minus, I'll also be able to make this smaller. So now I can see much more of my screen, and I'm able to work on both my right side and on my left side of the screen, and I'm able to answer my questions and work at the same time. So again, if you wanted to make it bigger, that is Control plus and Control minus to make it smaller. So try playing with those buttons to see making it bigger, making it smaller, and then after you finish watching this video, you're going to read instructions for step number 2, and there's one more video you're going to watch on another keyboard shortcut. Alright, thank you.